Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our egg and olive tagine, I've got a pan on a high heat and I'm just going to pop in a good glug of, I'm actually using extra virgin olive oil. I don't normally cook with that, but because this is going to be a fairly low temperature cooking exercise, and I prefer the flavor of extra virgin, so we'll use that. I'm going to get my spices in, and actually I'll turn the heat down to kind of medium high because we don't want it too crazy. So we've got some ground cumin, 2 teaspoons, 2 heaped teaspoons. I love cumin, the eggs, it's amazing. And the other thing I'm going to add is some smoked paprika, so about a teaspoon. And you can see the pan isn't super hot, that hasn't really sizzled or anything. So you just want to cook the spices for 15-20 seconds, depending on how hot your pan is when you put them in. You just want to toast them a little bit in the oil, or you can skip this if you like. It does enhance the flavors, but you don't want to over toast because that can lead to bitterness. So that's looking pretty good, and you can smell it too when it starts to toast. So we'll get the passata in, and I'm just using a cup of tomato passata, which is just a tomato puree, but you could use canned tomatoes if you didn't have any passata, or even dilute down some tomato paste. So you just want that to mix in, bring it to simmering quite rapidly. Great, so I've got it now back to a medium heat, and I'll get my eggs in. So either 4 or 6 eggs, or you could do more if you're super hungry. I'm just going to do 4 today, but normally if I was cooking this for dinner, I'd probably do 6 for me and my Irishman, just getting that extra protein. And using up the eggs, I have an abundance of eggs at the moment, which is amazing. To my chickens. Okay, so you want it to be, that's probably a little bit fast simmering, but not too bad. And then I'm just going to cover it just for a couple of minutes. So our eggs been simmering pretty rapidly for 2 minutes. Just going to have a look and test, and you can see the white's almost set, but it's not quite set. That one's looking good. So just going to get the lid back on for another little bit. Okay, so eggs been cooking for about 3 minutes now, and you can see the yolks are still nice and runny and soft, that's how I like it, because it will continue to cook as it sits. So I'll get it off now, off the heat now, and then I'm just going to sprinkle over our olives. So I've got a good big generous handful of chopped olives, black olive, pitted olives, and then I'm just going to serve it on a bed of baby spinach, but you could serve it on cauliflower couscous, or if you want to go carbs, serve it on a bed of couscous or cooked rice, whatever you feel like. And that's our egg and olive tagine. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thisstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.